Welcome! If you're looking to make your LinkedIn profile stand out and want your professional information to appear alongside the content you share, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest LinkedIn update that lets you show your LinkedIn information with other content on your PC, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me next to it. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can control all aspects of your LinkedIn account. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Click on Visibility to open up more settings related to how your profile and activity are displayed. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Representing your organizations and interests. Click on it to expand the options. Here's where the new update comes into play. Look for the toggle that says Profile Information on Content. This feature allows your LinkedIn profile details to be shown when you share posts, articles, or other content, making it easier for others to see who you are and what you represent. To enable this, simply switch the toggle on. Once it's enabled, your professional information will automatically appear with your content whenever you share something on LinkedIn from your PC. This is a great way to boost your visibility, build your personal brand, and help others connect with your expertise and interests. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've updated your settings to make your LinkedIn profile information more accessible and engaging. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.